So we have got the Wi-Fi range extender over here. I have just received this parcel and it has come straight from China. So let us unbox it and see what's inside this one. As it took almost 10 days to get delivered to my location in Karachi because it was an international shipping. That's why it took a lot of time. Also, I needed this router. Actually, it's a range extender. I needed this range extender because there are some rooms in my house in which there is a the Wi-Fi reception is not that good. So it is a Wi-Fi repeater, as you can see over here. It is I guess the company is a local brand of China. It's not that popular there, so but I have seen a lot of reviews on Daraz and just decided to order this. It has it's a single band repeater because it's a wireless and Wi-Fi repeater, and will definitely increase the coverage of the room. As you can see, some of the specifications written over here, and yeah. So let's just unbox this thing and see what's inside this, and set up this one. So now I'm unboxing it, as you can see. So you have got the Wi-Fi repeater. So it's the Wi-Fi repeater. It's pretty small, as you can see, and there is a LAN cable over here. So if you prefer to use it as a wireless router, you can also do that by inserting the LAN cable over here. And yeah, there's a single button of WPS in which you can press this one and connect your mobile devices automatically, and some of the LED lights will be there showing different kinds of functions. So that's it. And there is another thing in the box, which is because you can see it's quite instruction manual of how to set this up by connecting it to your PC. So it's a simplistic one. It's written in English and both Chinese. So let us just put this aside and yeah, just set this thing up, and I'll come back to you guys. So as you can see, I have connected the repeater over here, and now I will go to the configuration page. I will write 192.168.11.1. So it will open the configuration page. So I will just click on login. So I want to select it as the repeater mode. So now it will scan the access point. I want to amplify this signal. I will write the password over here. So it's asking me to reconnect to it after 30 seconds. I will click on external, connected. So as you can see that it has connected with the range extender. Now I will see the speed of this range extender and see if it has somewhat improved the connectivity. Yes, it has boosted the signal. As you can see, the range extender has done its work, and it's increased the speed. The speed is up to 9.72, which is our current broadband speed at home. So I guess it has done a good job regarding boosting the internet connectivity, and that's a very good thing about this range extender. It's good, huh? As you can see, the upload speed. So that's pretty much it, guys. As you have seen that the range extender has been easily connected, and it has somewhat increased the speed. It's not that increased the whole speed, but it is maintained that speed of the router. So thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye bye.